2011 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.